guys, today we're going to be doing this dewy makeup look. I did a video a little while ago where I talked about dewy skin makeup. This is pretty much a follow-up video about how to get dewy no makeup summer glistening sun-kissed look. Okay, it's very simple, not many products, very easy for anyone to follow. So if you want to see how I got this sun-kissed glow, keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. For the first step, we're going to use Ilia's True Skin Serum Concealer, and we're not going to conceal a lot. We're just going to cover up some of my dark spots here. So we're going for a no makeup kind of look, and then just a bit on my dark circles right here. Next, I want to follow up with Ilia's Super Serum Skin Tint. I don't want to use a foundation because I feel like foundation would be a little bit of a heavy coverage. This will give me more of that skin-like finish. I'm just going to blend that in. By the way, I did like a really dewy skin prep before this video, so if you're wondering what about the skincare before it, it's already done. It just gives me like a glowy, sun-kissed feeling, and I love it. Bring it down to your neck. For blush, I'm going to be using Milk Makeup's Bionic Blush. This one is very creamy. A little goes a long way, so just be careful. I like to take my blush up. Next, we're going to curl up this lashes. The mascara we're going to be using today is going to be very light, so it's not going to be thick at all, just very natural, like we didn't even try. Remember, we're going for that no makeup. We woke up like this look, like Beyonce. And for that, we're using Milk Makeup. Just has that very natural finish to it. So much. Oh, you guys look how glowy his skin is looking. I love it. Very summer, hot and ready. For that radiant summer glow, we're going to be using Charlotte Tilbury's Easy Highlighter. Just gonna buff it in. Just very gentle when you do this because you don't want to make it look harsh. Remember, it's no makeup. And all that's left now is our lips. I want to finish it up with this lip oil. It's Marakkech by Merit. We're pretty much done, but if you want to take this look to the next level, honey, if you want to take it up to the sky, you're going to be using a body glow. We're going to put this all over our neck, grab it all over, and you're just going to bring some glow. So your neck and your décolleté can match your face because we don't want to be looking crusty and dry on our chest and glowy on the face. So let's bring it all the way down. And there, my friends, is the finished look. Very natural, very sun-kissed. This is how we're gonna look this summer, right? This is how we're gonna show up to all the barbecue parties. Alright, if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up the video, follow for more skincare, makeup, all that. We're skincare sisters, we're your skincare besties over here. So you know you want to join the channel. Stop stalking and not joining. Stop being a weirdo. Just join the family so we can hang out together every week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! To say